Today, I am reviewing HP Pro Tower 290G9 desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-performance desktop computer that can handle both work and play, the HP Pro Tower 290G9 is an impressive choice. This tower desktop is powered by the 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12500 processor, featuring 6 cores and 12 threads, a base clock of 3.0 GHz, and turbo speeds reaching up to 4.6 GHz. What this means is that whether you're working on spreadsheets, running multiple business applications, attending video calls, or even light content creation, this desktop offers smooth and reliable performance without lag. Paired with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, the Pro Tower makes multitasking effortless. You can have multiple applications open, browser tabs running, and background tasks going, all without slowing down the system. This generous memory, combined with a 1TB PCIe SSD, ensures ultra-fast boot times, lightning-quick application launches, and ample storage for your files, documents, media, and project backups. For anyone who values productivity and speed, this combination of RAM and SSD is ideal. The Intel UHD Graphics 770 integrated GPU provides sharp and smooth visuals. While it's not a dedicated gaming card, it's perfectly capable of handling office graphics, streaming videos, and supporting dual monitor setups through its HDMI and VGA outputs. This makes the HP Pro Tower a versatile machine, suitable for home offices, student setups, and business environments where visual clarity and multiple displays are important. Connectivity on this tower is extensive and modern. You get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connections, while wired connections are available through RJ45 Ethernet, multiple USB Type-A ports, and USB-C connectivity. The front panel features easy access ports including 4 high-speed USB 5 gigabits per second Type-A ports and a headphone/microphone combo jack. Meanwhile, the rear panel has 4 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, VGA, RJ45, line-in and line-out, giving you full flexibility to connect peripherals, printers, scanners, and external drives. From a design perspective, the HP Pro Tower 290G9 is compact, measuring just under 12 by 6 by 13 inches, and it weighs only around 10.5 pounds. This allows it to fit neatly on or under your desk without consuming too much space, while still offering room for upgrades and expansion if needed. The build quality is solid, and HP has thoughtfully included security features like a padlock loop and trusted platform module, making it suitable for business environments where data protection matters. Operating on Windows 11 Pro, this desktop comes ready for professional productivity. You get all the latest features, enhanced security, and a user-friendly interface optimized for business, school, and everyday use. HP also includes a wired keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to start working immediately. In conclusion, the HP Pro Tower 290G9 desktop is a powerful, versatile, and reliable desktop computer. With its 12th Gen Intel i5 processor, 32 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, multiple connectivity options, and Windows 11 Pro, it's ideal for home users, business professionals, and students. It delivers speed, performance, and productivity in a compact tower design, ensuring that your computing experience is both efficient and enjoyable. If you're looking for a desktop that balances power, storage, and expandability, this HP Pro Tower is a top contender that will meet and exceed your expectations.